Moving on, one in every 32 Christmas tree fires results in death.
The Pasco Fire Department has some safety tips that you should keep in mind to make sure you have a safe holiday and it doesn't happen to you. KapKV's Caitlin Knapp has this story.
Behind me is the fire department's training facility. They're going to light a Christmas tree on fire to see how quickly it can spread and what you can do to prevent it from happening.
So it's not about having a real tree or a fake tree that's the danger. It's that making sure your house is safe to begin with.
With the holiday season, there are greater risks for fires, especially when it comes to your Christmas tree.
One of the things you're going to see on this fire once it gets going is it grows even faster than a normal house fire.
With presents wrapped and the tree decorated, it was time to light it up.
You see how much smoke's coming into it? We're just into about a minute after the fire got started. You're at 1100 degrees at the base of the Christmas tree. Whether it's that candle that falls into your presents, or whether that space heater that gets knocked into it, or whether it's that light that shorts out in it and starts burning it.
So what can you do to keep your family and home safe?
Making sure those working smoke alarms are in your home. That is your early warning device to make sure that you are warned in case there is an emergency in your home. Keeping that water on that tree all day long is a good thing.
Shears says if you get a real tree, choose one where the needles don't fall when you touch it.
Making sure you keep heat sources away from it, making sure you have electrical staying away, make sure your electrical's all in good shape.
According to the National Fire Protection Association, 1 of every 4 Christmas tree fires is caused by an electrical problem. Also, think about where you're going to put your tree. Avoid having it near your front door.
If that tree's on fire, that's your escape route out, so you need to be thinking about a different way out. It's about 250 degrees at the ceiling height right there.
Shearer also says there are risks with not only a real tree, but a fake one as well.
Artificial trees are made out of a lot of plastic, so once it gets going, there'll be a lot more black, arid type smoke. Being enclosed like this is going to definitely increase the heat level in that room. So now the fire is already kind of dying down a little bit. We're still at 600 degrees in the room, which is not a survivable temperature.
And if you're leaving your home, always make sure you turn off your tree lights.
So it doesn't matter whether you're using a fresh tree or a live tree, it's about keeping those fires from starting to begin with. Want to make sure your house is always safe, keeping those electrical sources away.
In Pasco, Caitlin Knapp, KapKV Local News.